My best friend came over on Friday when we took her out to lunch for her birthday, but she brought presents for me. Can you believe it? Two beautiful lace tablecloths to go in my living room on my two round tables, and they're both a Halloween theme lace. Are they not beautiful? Look at the bats and spider webs, and don't they have that creepy look? Love them. Can't wait to put them on the table. And she didn't mean bring me just that. She brought me these seeds. I'm going to let them dry out for maybe 6 months or a year, however long they take to dry all the way out. I'm going to try planting them in the spring, hopefully, and I'm going to see what I can get. So here are some seeds she brought me. Wasn't that a wonderful gift? Then she brought me some wonderful air plants too. Oh my gosh, do I love air plants. And all you have to do with air plants, they don't go in soil, and you just put them in some water once a month and keep them alive that way. Then you let them dry off a little and put them back where you want them. As you can see, she brought me 4 of them. And here, what did Grandma do with them? She put them on her windowsill. Are they not beautiful? Just love them. Oh my gosh, I was so happy to get these wonderful air plants. And you know, these air plants would probably cost $10 a piece as big as they were. So they were a great, great gift from my friend. She gave me 4 of them. That's like $40 worth of air plants for free. Wasn't it a great gift for me? I was so excited. Oh, and I was so excited. She brought me these beautiful seed pods. As you can see, the seed pods are bright green, and they're going to have to dry out probably for the next 6 months before I can try to plant them. I'm going to leave them on my windowsill and let them dry out, and then I will see about trying to plant them and see if I can get some beautiful plants for free. Oh my gosh, my friend was so awesome to bring me so many beautiful seed pods and so many beautiful air plants, and of course those 2 beautiful tablecloths. Wasn't it a wonderful gift?